glacial peaks where cold winds sing, beneath the shadow of mountains grand, the Susitna River begins its course, a silver ribbon through Alaska's land. Oh, born in the Alaska range so high, fed by ice and snow so pure, it journeys south for 300 miles, strong and wild, enduring and sure. Past rugged valleys and forested shores, near lands touched by Denali's grace, its waters carved through ancient earth, leaving beauty in every place. Moose wander quietly through willow stands, black bears roam where berries grow, great grizzlies patrol the riverbanks, where northern lights and wildflowers glow. For countless generations, tribal lands have embraced this river's faithful flow, and salmon nourish both body and soul, preserving traditions the elders know. The Susitna is more than water and stone, more than a river winding free. It is culture, livelihood, history, and the heartbeat of community. Anglers cast where the salmon run, hunters travel the wilderness trails, visitors marvel at mountain views, while eagles ride the northern gales. So flow on, Susitna, mighty and true, from glacial birth to Cook Inlet's tide, a treasure of Alaska's wild frontier, forever majestic, forever alive. Oh, yeah. Red for the courage that carried the day, when patriots stood and would not walk away. Through trials and battles, through sacrifice too, they planted the seeds of the red, white, and blue. White for the hope that still brightly shines, for freedom and faith through the passing of time, a promise enduring, steadfast and true, woven forever in the red, white, and blue. So let the bells of freedom ring, let grateful hearts together sing, for America's story still survives, 250 years alive. Blue for the heavens stretched over this land, for dreamers and builders who lent us their hands. From mountains to shorelines and amber fields too, united beneath the red, white, and blue. Now fireworks blossom across the night sky as 250 years proudly pass by. Their colors reflect what our forefathers knew, the strength of the red, white, and blue. So let the bells of freedom ring, let grateful hearts together sing. For America's story still survives, 250 years alive. From villages small to great cities bright, families gather in patriotic delight. Old stories are shared and new memories grew, all under the red, white, and blue. The flag gently dances in warm summer air, a symbol reminding us all to take care of liberty's blessing entrusted to few, yet carried by many in the red, white, and blue. So let the bells of freedom ring, let grateful hearts together sing. For America's story still survives, 250 years alive. 2 centuries past and a half century more, yet freedom still stands upon history's shore. Its light still shines brightly, inspiring and true, like the stars in the red, white, and blue. So let us proudly proclaim our gratitude deep for America's name. For the past we remember, the future we pursue, bound together by the red, white, and blue. And may generations yet still come to see the value of faith, hope, and liberty, as America's story continues anew, forever beneath the red, white, and blue.
Across the rugged outkin, where the fireweed starts to bloom, we rode our home on wheels away from city noise and gloom. With a map spread on the dashboard and the coffee steaming hot, we found a kind of freedom that the lower states forgot. RVing Alaska with friends, chasing the end of the road again, where the mountains lean in close, make you whistle when you roll. We rode our home on wheels, away from city noise and gloom, to where the fireweed starts to bloom. in the shadow of the mountains, where the peaks are tipped with white.